Police in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Putnam County in north-central Illinois, southeastern Bureau County in north-central Illinois, until 10 a.m. At 9:13 a.m., severe thunderstorms will precipitate along a line extending from near Caspier to near Camp Grove, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Princeton, Hennepin, Spring Valley, Depew, Granville, Ladd, Tuscola, Dolville, Bureau Junction, McNabb, Putnam, Mark, Cherry, Malden, Seatonville, Magnolia, Standard, Hollowayville, Cole Hollow, and Ottville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 53 and 72. Interstate 180 between mile markers 1 and 13. This also includes Donnelly Depew State Fish and Wildlife Area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. for north-central Illinois.